Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am doing an unboxing video and it is my BOXYCHARM. I am barefaced besides some foundation, concealer, and brows. I am going to be doing a try on for this box. Today I really feel like trying out these products. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump in and let's create a look using the products in this BOXYCHARM. So opened up my BOXYCHARM and I got this little thing here, this little card from BOXYCHARM. So this month's theme is eye candy. It has all the information of the stuff that I got in here, which is pretty awesome. I think it's really cool how they made it pretty cool like this. Usually it's just like a card, but this time it's kind of like a little pamphlet. It's pretty cool. I like it. And we have some coupon back here, 10% off orders on Tarte.com. So if you want to use April Boxy, you'll get 10% off on orders on Tarte.com. Let's just go ahead and jump into the eyes, since I can see on the card here. And I am barefaced today, like I'm saying, so I'm creating a look. And I got this ColourPop Semi Precious in the box. I knew BOXYCHARM was going to be including like ColourPop palettes into this month's box, and yeah, I'm super excited because this is a palette that I don't have. And yeah, I do have some of their palettes, and I was really hoping to get a new palette. So yeah, this is the inside of the palette. How gorgeous is this? As you can see, they're all shimmer, so it's not like I can really create like a look with this. I need to include some matte shade on here, so I will be incorporating these colors into my eyes. And let's jump into that, shall we? Right, so like I mentioned, the palette has a lot of shimmers in here, so I will be going into my Narcissist Wanted palette from NARS. I will be incorporating the matte shades from this palette. I'm going into the Semi Precious palette, and thinking I should use one of these pink shades to match what I'm wearing right now. So probably go into this shade Upon a Star. Oh, so nice and pigmented. To pop these garter lashes from Kiss. I've actually been enjoying these lashes. Alright, I'm done with my eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit of this shade called Celestial right here. I'm just going to put that in the inner corners. It's like a nice champagne shade. See how bright that is. It's so pigmented. I have here next and my BOXYCHARM is this Brow Gel, the Brow Gel, and it's the tinted brow gel with microfibers. So I've never really tried anything like that before. I mean, I did have my brows already pretty much done, but let's just go ahead and try to put some of this on. Oh, whoa, okay. It's pretty tiny. Hair or something on there. Let's try some of that. Oh. Not really sure how I feel about that. Lifting my front part of my hair a lot, which is nice. Especially since I don't really have hair in the front. I think that would be really nice. What I noticed that it pretty much lifts the hair on the front of my brows. I really like that because like I mentioned, I don't really have hair right there, so I think that's really nice. I totally forgot to mention how much this semi-precious palette costs. So this one is $26. So it's really nice, and it says it's highly pigmented shadows that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky, and I totally agree with that statement. Of course, the Brow Gal, this one cost $22, so I definitely will be giving this brow more chances. Yeah, I'm super excited. But yeah, let's move on. So this next one is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It's a pore purifying mask. So it looks like this. It's supposed to be a mask. This one retails for $47. We already know that Dr. Brett is pretty pricey. So yeah, I'm just already excited that they included this in here. Kind of sad I won't be able to try this right here, right now, but definitely will be using this. This next one I have is a Tarte's Pro Glow highlighter. So, ooh, this is awesome. So I have this Tarte's Pro Glow right here. Super excited that I was able to get a liquid highlighter, and it's especially Tarte, like a well-known brand, in this box, and I'm super excited, but I can't put this on yet until I have my face on. So let's just go ahead and apply some of that on real quickly. Alright, so I'm done with my face. As you can see on here, I will be applying on the Tarte's liquid highlighter. And this is in the shade Exposed. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it on here. Whoa, a couple of dots on here. I don't really use liquid highlighter a lot, so it's definitely a really nice color. Dried pretty fast. Dab some on there. So use my hand to dab the highlighter. That's the highlighter right there. I'll probably just go over it with a little bit of my Mirror Luminizer. Half a bit over it. You guys already know I like my glow. Lastly, I have one more product, and this is the Ades New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick right here. It's a really nice color right here. Does look a little bit glossy. That one, let's see, it retails for $24. That is from Ades. And the Tarte Pro Glow is $29. Okay, so my thoughts on the last two. I really like this one. It's pretty glossy. The color is really nice. I like that nice little gloss on my lips. I feel like a little bit of tingly feeling on my lips though. So I don't know how I feel about that. The highlighter is obviously, it's Tarte, so obviously I'm excited about that, but it dries a little bit too quickly for me, which doesn't really give me time to blend it on my cheeks. So as I feel like this one is a little bit more, like you could just see the streak. This one is a little bit more blended out, but yeah, I mean, I guess I could give this a try, give it more chances, because I don't really use liquid highlighter anyway, so I really suck at it. Definitely will be giving that a try. Right, so after some quick math, I've come to the conclusion that this box is a total of $148, and I pay only $21 for this box. How amazing is that? Let me know if you guys like these type of video, more of me trying on the products or just unboxing it, or both, because I really do enjoy doing both. I really do like switching it up sometimes, you know. But yeah, that is all that I have. That is all that's in my box. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Before you leave, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.